Hello guys, you can see this gonna pay me $28. The second one gonna pay me $36. The third one gonna pay me $49. The only thing I have to do, I have to find people that can grab the phone number, the phone, and make a phone call calling for these offers. So these offer, to get approved for them, you will need a landing page, because you can see auto insurance, just have someone calling for auto insurance over 180 seconds over the phone, you made just $28. So how I find the landing page without doing nothing, easy and quick. I go to my website, okay, and I go to the landing page section. When you go to new, you can see new right here, and you're gonna go to landing page. When you go to landing page on your website, and I'm gonna show you how to get a website like this for at least $3 up to $5 per month, so you can have this landing page. Keep watching, I'm gonna show you how to get this. So you can get unlimited landing pages, and you get approved for the offer on Market Call, Offer Globe, and all these great websites that gonna pay you, because I make thousands of dollars online using this strategy that I'm about to show you. So when you click on landing page, as you can see, let me move my picture. So you go to the search here, let's type insurance, but I will just type insurance. You can see insurance, car insurance, business insurance. So let's suppose I click on this one. So you see this landing page is pre-built for you. It is pre-built. You can see you have this landing page. Let me just move my picture right here. So you have this landing page with a lead form generation where you can generate leads. People can just put their name, phone number, email, and zip code. And you can see why choosing us. This is pre-built for you. You will just have to download this and put it on your website as your landing page. You can make some changes and make it more unique, and boom, you take the link and you go back to marketplace to this offer, auto insurance, and you submit it as your landing page and you get approved. How I get this for only $3 or $5? You don't have to pay ClickFunnels, you don't have to pay Kartra, you don't have to pay fancy landing page builder. This is the secret that I have. I can create thousands of landing page. I use a web hosting, which is Bluehost. So with Bluehost, I can start with only $2 or $3 right here, just for one website. If I have only one website, I'm gonna start with this. If I have more than one website, and I have, like, let's say 3 websites, and I want hosting for them to have a website like mine, because let me just give you an idea. This website you see right here, let me tap my name and you can visit it. Vinyl Silvestri, that's my website. You can go copy my website, copy everything on it. I use Bluehost for only $3 per month to have this website you see here with a lot of articles, and I get paid for ads displaying on my website, and I get paid when I use pay-per-call to generate phone calls for some companies. Because I have my website, I can create landing page easily. So with $3 or $5, you can create a landing page. So what you will have to do, I will choose here, they're gonna give you a free domain that you can use. And with this free domain, one thing you can do, you can just go to this platform, Bluehost, and you create a website just for the purpose of make money online or pay-per-call. So here, let's say you type something like that, pay-per-call dude. I just type something random like this. As you can see, pay-per-call dude. I want to make sure that this exists, and if it exists, that will be a great news. So they are searching to see if this domain exists. So let me see. Yes, this domain is available. You can see, congrats, your domain is available. It is free, okay? One thing I will have to do, I will have to put my name here, my name and my info here, and I have everything there ready, and I can just select the state, which is Florida, hopefully. Yeah, the state gonna be Florida or non-international. So here, that's my email, and here I'm gonna pay only $65 for the whole year to get this thing, and I'm gonna get free first year pay-per-call, dude. I'm gonna get the website for free, the domain for free for the first year, and here I have this lock you see right here. I'm gonna have it for free for the first year, and I'm gonna have a site backup. So every data I put on this website will be backup for free for my first year. And you can see if I want e-commerce, let's say I want to sell on my website. If I choose this, that's gonna allow me per month to sell on my website, sell digital or physical product. But because I don't need these right now, I can just remove all these two, okay? Or if I don't need a professional email, I just need to get approved with market call. This is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna choose this, okay? So you can see I'm saving over $188. So if you use my link on the description, I may get a commission because I'm an affiliate. But trust me, if you want to make money like me, you need a website to get landing page pre-built that's gonna be approved for you for free. So you don't have to create landing page. Anytime you want to promote something on Market Call like this, you go to Market Call, you want to promote plumbing services. You can find plumbing services for free. Landing page, just grab them and create your landing page and go over to Market Call and submit it. When you get approved, you can start running ads using Google Ads, because I have a bunch of video on my channel showing you how to run Google Ads. This is how me I do it. So this is how you can do it too. So one last thing I have to show you. Let's say I want to type something like electrician. Let me show you one thing. Let's say here I type electrician. You can see, okay, let's just put plumbing. Or let's put something random. Let's say let's put something related to okay, let's just put services. So you can see there are different things related to services. So they are for webinar, for travel. Let's say you want to create a furniture store. You can see this one is a pre-built landing page. Let's say you want for digital marketing agency. That's a free pre-built template ready for you that you can use. Let's say you want to create a course. Let's say you have a course, you want to create the course. That's going to help you. So it's the same thing you can use for every offer that you find on Market Call. So one thing we'll have to do, go to Market Call, type the name of the offer, and go back to the landing page editor on your website that you just create with Bluehost. And when you go there on the search, because you will have to install Elementor. I do that because I have Elementor. It gives me access to a bunch of free templates that I can use myself. So let's say you may find things for, let's say, English teacher, exercise and fitness. You see, shared workplace, teeth whitening, time management. All these are free landing page that you can use and you can use for your business. Okay. So if you want to promote, let's say, pay-per-call offer, look there for the keyword that you want to promote, and boom, you get a landing page for free. And you don't have to be a tech. It's already pre-built for you. You can just find any of them and insert them. So you can see it's easy, more than easy. Let's just type something like health. Let me see if I can find something related to health. Okay, let's say health. Okay, you see everything related to health. Let's say you're promoting in health and insurance. All these landing page will help you to create awesome health insurance landing page. Let's take this one to see how it looks like. So you can use this easily. You create a landing page, just remove the logo, put your text, and it's easy to build. And we create this picture. You can use them because they are pre-built on the landing page for you. So that's the whole idea, guys. So when you are on a Bluehost, you just check out, but because I already have a website, I don't have to put my info and check out. This is what you will have to do. You're gonna pay only $65 if you just do the same way I showed you. I will put a link on the description. If you use my link, it's gonna be a help for me. That's gonna help me a lot. Help me on my channel to still creating content for you related to pay-per-call and how to make your first $100 per day online. If you like this content, one thing you have to do, make sure you comment, let me know where you are watching, and don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more video. Thank you. See you to the next video. Bye-bye.